Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Monday, 7th of October. Looking at dollar yen, where dollar yen has been creeping lower over the past week. Three strong negative candles, followed by a mild consolidation move on Friday on the payrolls report. But generally speaking, we're still seeing the dollar under pressure. We're still seeing, certainly against the yen, and also the risk aversion that's crept back into the market this morning. We're seeing this market now sort of closing fairly consistently below the 106.95 level of old support, which means it does sort of confirm that this is a top pattern in place and the market is going to be correcting lower over the coming weeks. And you can see that through momentum indicators where MACD lines and stochastics are pulling decisively lower, as is the RSI. You'd be looking at selling into strength, I think, on here. Here you can see the hourly chart where, to all intents and purposes, pretty much for the past few sessions we've been trading underneath 106.95, a little bit of a spike higher on that payrolls report, but as I said on Friday in my webinar, didn't expect the dollar strength to last, and it sort of eventually sort of crept back underneath 106.95 to continue to trade underneath that since. And you look at the hourly momentum indicators, MACD just effectively unwinding back to neutral, giving another selling opportunity. Similarly on the RSI, failing underneath 60. So it just looks like a market set up for the next sell-off, which any strength would be a selling opportunity to play that. A close below 106.75 is this old pivot line. A close underneath that would start to really confirm, I think, the market is gaining traction to the downside, 105.70 area being the next support. But I think 106.75 is a key basis of support still, having not really closed below that. A couple of intraday moves below that to 106.45, 106.50 area, but yeah, nothing too decisive yet in terms of momentum and in the selling pressure. But any rallies I still think are a chance to sell. So wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos, and also go to our website where you can sign up for our webinars.